Dear students, in this video, I am going to discuss mechanism of Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. So here, Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction, it is of two type, one bimolecular and second one is unimolecular. In bimolecular, when R is a straight chain, and in unimolecular, when R is 2 degree or 3 degree carbon. So let us discuss first mechanism of bimolecular reaction. So here the reactions occur in two steps. So in step what happen? First of all, haloalkane forms a complex with a catalyst. So here we having haloalkanes, this means alkyl halide, and this one is our catalyst, aluminum chloride. It is widely used. So first of all, alkyl halide or haloalkane and catalyst form a complex. So here the reaction is very fast, and this chloride ion having lone pair of electron, and aluminum is a Lewis acid, that means it needs electron. Therefore chlorine will give its electron to aluminum. As a result, a complex is formed between haloalkane and AlCl3. So you can see here, since chlorine has given electron, therefore it is positively charged, and it has taken electron, therefore it is negatively charged. So here you will see that a complex is generated, which is indicated by 1. Now in step 2. So in step 2 what happened? This one complex attack on the benzene ring. So in step 2 attacks of one and occurs at benzene ring. So here you will see that this reaction is very slow. Okay, and you know that this is the rate determining step. So what happened? This one complex attached with benzene ring like this, and you know that each and every corner of benzene contains one hydrogen atom. So we have located hydrogen atom here. Since this electron, pi electron, is shifting here, therefore what happened? This complex will attach with this, like we have shown here, and here is a positively charged. Now after that what happened? So as this complex attached with benzene ring, at the meantime this bond breaks here, and Cl and AlCl3 join together to form AlCl4 minus. Okay, and we having this, since there is a positive charge and 2 pi electron, therefore resonance will occur. We have shown here the resonating structure. So here if this bond will shift here, then positive charge will shifted to this position here, and if this positive charge is this pi bond will shift here, then positive charge will be here. So like that resonating structure is possible, we have shown here. Now ultimately what happened? So here this H leaves the position. As a result what will happen? So if this H leaves its position by giving in its electron, then aromaticity is maintained, and we having this product. That means the desired product we got here. Now after that this one H plus react with the AlCl4 minus, this one we have shown here, this one. So AlCl4 minus react with H plus to form HCl and AlCl3. So here this AlCl3 acts as a catalyst. So this is the mechanism of FC alkylation bimolecular. Now we are going to discuss mechanism of alkylation reaction of unimolecular reaction. So in unimolecular what happen? R is of 2 degree or 3 degree. So first of all, haloalkane forms a complex with AlCl3. As a result, complex 1 is generated. Now after that what happened? This is split to form R plus and AlCl4 minus. So here we have given one example. this one is the tertiary carbon, and AlCl3 react to form the complex which split to form tertiary carbocation and AlCl4 minus. So this Cl and AlCl3 form AlCl4 minus. Now after that what happened here, that this carbocation attacked at the benzene ring. Okay, now as a result what will happen, that this carbon positively charged, this pi electron shifting here in any one of the positions, since all the positions are equivalent. So if this electron is shifting here, then a positive charge generated here, and what will happen, so carbon will attach to this position, and we having one hydrogen atom also we have located here. So this will undergo resonance, that means various resonating structures is denoted by this species. Ultimately the similar mechanism as we have discussed, H plus will leave its position, as a result aromaticity will maintain and the desired product is formed. So this is about the mechanism of Friedel-Crafts reaction unimolecular. So thank you very much.